Hello guys, how are ya?
This time we got a triple order. We got the first one from Buddha Bowl, which is a pan-based cafe. Next one, we gotta pick up dessert from the Black Star Pastry in Newtown. And the last one is from the Gather on the Green, which serving breakfast and lunch. The weather today is not really good. It's very windy and very chill. It is one of the reasons they pay very well. It's a $1 a minute job. Do you want to know how much I got? Let's see at the end of the video. That's it. See you in the next delivery. Bye bye.